Yeah, hi guys, welcome to the present video. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, so you may subscribe this channel, guys. And this channel is completely dedicated to the UGC NET paper 1 previous year questions as well as the revision sessions and all these things. So part 1 is already done. So the candidates who wants to get the part 1, so you may search in the YouTube channel, guys. And it is a part 2. So in this one, we are going to see the data interpretation of the 2021 question paper. So subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon to get the more updates from this channel, and please share this video to your friends who are preparing for the upcoming UGC NET examination. Fine. So it is a data interpretation question we are going to see in this session, guys. So if you look at this one, this data interpretation is simple, but it is a most time consuming one. Okay, and mostly the calculative part is there in this one. So first have a look at this data. The table below represents the unit sales of the motorcycle in 6 European countries over a 6 months period from Jan 2020 to June 2020. And these motorcycles are imported to each country by a main dealer. So based on the data in the table, answer the question. Right? So first, whatever the questions are there here. So if you look at these questions, I mean, first have a look at all the 5 questions. Then definitely you need to calculate the total values here. Okay. So for calculation purpose, it will take some time. So that's why what I'm suggesting is that if you entered into the examination hall, so irrespective of your paper 2, first of all, focus on the data interpretation and the reading comprehension questions. Okay, first focus on both these two. Okay. So why? Because they are the time taking things, and if you take some time and if you opt the answer perfectly, then you are going to get the see 5 questions here and 5 questions here. That means 10 marks here and 10 marks here. That means the total 20 marks you can score from here itself out of the 100 marks of the paper 1. So please be very careful while solving or else while doing this DI or the reading comprehensions. Fine. Okay. So coming to this one here, so Germany in all the 6 months, okay, how many imports happened, and in UK all the 6 months how many imports are happened here. So that one is shown, and here I calculated the values, guys. So you too can calculate, and if I calculate for the Germany including all the 3 months, okay, I got as 296, and for the UK 260, and for the France 200, and for Belgium 29, and Spain 177, and Italy 144. Okay. And coming to the January month, the total number of imports happened are 176, and in Feb month 190, and in March month 179, and in the month of April 206, and coming to the month of May it is 208, and in the month of June total from all the countries, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 countries, it is 207. Fine. So total these are the values, guys, and if I calculate both these two, then I will get as, that means if I calculate all these values, fine, see these values and these values, then I will get as 1166 is the total. Okay, so it is the data. Now let's find out, guys, here what percentage of the overall total was sold to the German importer. Okay, so what percentage of the, you may check down here, overall total is how much? 1166 was sold to the German importer. So German importer, how much is there? 296. That means we need to find out the 296 is how much percentage of the 1166. So 296 divided by 1166 into 100. Okay, so you guys need to simplify this one, and after simplifying you will get to 25.38. This 25.38 can be approximately taken as a 25.4, right? Am I correct? It can be approximately taken as a 25.4. So here option 2 can be taken as a correct answer. Got it? Next, coming to the second question. So अगर ये क्वेश्चन आप हिंदी में चाहिए तो सो हिंदी स्लाइड भी है, सो watch this slide and then try to solve the question. Fine. And next question, what percentage of the overall total of motorcycles was sold in the month of May. Okay, so here you may check down what percentage of the overall total of motorcycles was sold in the month of May. So actually, if you check down in the month of May, the total number of imports happened from all the 6 companies is 208. Okay, so that means in the month of May 208, and the overall total of motorcycles are how many? 1166. Then 208 is how much percentage of 1166? Means 208 divided by 1166 into 100. Okay, so calculate this one, because total is 1166, right? So if you calculate this one, then you will get as 17.8 percentage exactly, and that's what they mentioned here in the option 4. You may check down, guys. Got it? So here option 4 can be taken as a correct answer. And while coming to the next question, so which month showed the biggest increase in total sales from the previous month? Okay, so which month is showing the biggest increase in total sales comparing with the previous month? So as we already calculated that in the month of January, we got as 176, Feb 190, and March 179, and April 206, and May 208, and June 207. Okay, so now if you subtract, they're asking the biggest increase comparing with the previous month. So first of all, here we need to check out the increase, right? Just a minute. Yeah, from here to here, how much increase is there? 14. And from here to here there is no increase, so just leave about this one. And from here to here 179, and here the 206, how much increase has happened here? So it is 27. From here to here only 2 is increase, and from here to here decrease is there. So in which month the decrease is there comparing with the previous month? So you just remove that one. Okay, you just remove that one. And now 14, 27 and 2, which one is having the biggest one? 27. That means the April month can be taken as a biggest increase in total sales comparing with the previous month. So here we can take option 3 as a correct answer. Got it? And if you want to solve this one in Hindi, so here the Hindi slide is also there. May check down, guys. So pause the video and then solve the question. Next, coming to the next question. So in the month of February, what percentage of the monthly total was sold to the biggest importer? Okay, biggest importer. So coming to the Germany, we calculated the values that here it is 296 and 260 and 200, 89, 177 and 144. So it is 1166, right? So now they are asking the biggest importer. So if you look at these figures, which one is the biggest importer here? Germany is the biggest importer. Why? Because 296. It is the highest value comparing with all other countries. Okay, biggest import. That means the biggest importer in the month of February is having 47. So in the month of February, what percentage of the monthly total was sold to the biggest importer? Means actually in the month of Feb, how much the total? 190 importings are there, including all the countries. Okay, and now why I picked out of the 190, why I picked only 47? Because they are asking about the Feb month. You take the biggest import. So biggest importer is a Germany. So why? Because it is 296 is there, and I took the 47 here. Now 47 is how much percentage of 190? So 47 divided by 190 into 100. So if you simplify this one, you will get 24.7 percentage. Then we can take option A as a correct answer. Got it? Fine. Next question. So pause this video and solve this question. So it is mentioned in Hindi, same question. Okay. Next, coming to the 5th question of this DI. Okay. So have a look here. What percentage of the total imports? Okay, how much total imports actually? 1166 is accounted by the 3 smallest importers. If I go back to the previous slide, you may check down here. So who are the smallest importers, guys? If you check down here, which countries are the smallest imports? Belgium, Spain, Italy. These three are the smallest importers, right? So now if I add all these three, that is 89, I'm taking in the next slide. Okay. So the smallest, last by the three smallest importers, right? So that means I'm adding the 89, 177 and 144. If I add all these things, then I will get the 410. So let's take the three smallest importers including becomes 410. So 410 is how much percentage of the 1166? Now it becomes is equal to 410 divided by 1166 into 100. Got it? So it becomes is equal to 35.16 percentage. So we can take approximately option 4 as a correct answer. Got it? So it is a way of solving this DI, guys. So I hope that all of you understood. Okay, all this this DI, all these 5 questions. So if you did not understand, then once again please go through the video. Okay, and still if you did not understand, then please mention in the comment section. We'll discuss in the next video. Fine. So please subscribe the channel, guys. All of you subscribe the channel. So daily you are going to get the huge number of previous year questions, which will be very much helpful to you for the further or the upcoming examination. Okay, so it is a part 2. Next we will meet in the part 3. Okay, so share this video to your friends who are preparing for the UGC NET examination. Okay, so thank you and all the best, guys.